You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words and how they vary, how they have a slightly different meaning. What is the difference between the two? The top word is a person whom you work with, or somebody you works with, or within a same professional business. That's a colleague. That's your top word here, colleague. Co-worker. Co-worker is somebody you directly work with in the same company or within the same project, same department in your company. That's a co-worker. So colleague and co-worker. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.